welcome to Monday's phonics lesson. So this week, all week long, we are going to be learning about the grapheme Now, to begin with today, we're going to recap the we have already learnt in class. So there are different ways to make our sound. Hold on. There we go. There are different ways to make our sound, but to begin with this week, we're going to start by looking back at one we already know and reminding ourselves. So, I'm going to show you the picture card, and I want to see if you can remember the song that goes with this picture. Are you ready? Can you sing it? Flower in a shower, Can you sing it again for me? Beautiful. Flower in a shower, Can you remember the action that goes with that one? Flower in a shower, Fantastic. So the sound we're going to be looking at today is the flower in the shower. Flower in a shower, So can you say Can you clap Can you shout Can you whisper Could you whisper to each one of your fingers? Fantastic. So that is our sound. If we are looking at the sound today, what is this? Can you tell me what this picture is? It's a flower. So can we sound that out? We're going to use our phoneme fingers. F, l, ow, Can you do that? Well done. F, l, ow, How many sounds are in the word flower? Fantastic. There are 4 phoneme fingers. Where is the sound in our word flower? Is it in the beginning, the middle, or the end of our word? Flower. Fantastic. It goes at the end of the word, doesn't it? Well done. What about this? What is this a picture of? It is a shower. Can you phoneme finger that? Sh, ow, Sh, ow, How many phoneme fingers have you got? 3. Well done. And where in the word is our sound in shower? Sh, ow, Is it the beginning, the middle, or the end? It's at the end again, just like flower. We have one more. What is this a picture of? Remember, it has to have the sound in it, so it's not an envelope. What could it be? It's a letter. A letter. Can you phoneme finger the word letter? Okay. L, e, t, letter. So how many phoneme fingers have you got? Have you got 4 as well? And whereabouts in our word is the sound in letter? Is it the beginning, the middle, or the end? It's at the end again. So we've looked at 3 words with our sound in it, where the sound is at the end. So we're going to have a go now at writing some words. So if you don't already have a pen and paper, you might want to pause the video now and go and grab yourself some pen, paper, whiteboard pen, and come on back. So the first thing I want to do is write the sound onto my nice big piece of paper, and I'm going to write it in the middle. But before I can do that, I need to remember how I write the sound. What 2 letters make the sound that is in flower in a shower? Can you remember? Well done. It's our E-R. So before we write it on the paper, I want us to write it in the air. So turn on your magic whiteboard pen, get it ready. Okay, we come out and we go around the elephant's head, and then we come down to give him a trunk. And then our R, is the same size as the F. So we start here and we go down and back up and around. Fantastic. Well done. Rub that board out. And now I'm going to write it on my piece of paper. So maybe you are now ready to join me and write it on your piece of paper too. So I'm going to try and write it in the middle. So I'm going to do my E. So it comes out. So we go up and around the elephant's head and come down and give him a trunk. And then the is the same height as the E. So I go all the way down, back up and around. And now I'm going to draw a little cloud around my sound today. And now could you sound button your sound for me? So we have the sound where two letters are making one sound. There is our sound. All right, so now we're going to write some words, some words. Can you think of any words? Should we write that one? Okay, let's sound it out together. All, ow, So what was the first sound? All, ow, flower. Can you go back and sound button that now for me? All, ow, flower. Let's just see. Ooh. Let's even get you a bit closer. There we go. Flower. What's the other word we can do from this picture? Shower. Fantastic. Let's sound that out. Sh, ow, sh, ow, So what makes the sh sound? Sharks on the shore. Sh, sh, sh. So I'm going to do my sh. And what's the next sound? Ow, well done. Clown upside down. And then our sound. Shower. Right, let's go back and sound button that. So we have sh, two letters making one sound. Another two letters making one sound. Ow. Well done. Shower. What about this word? Can we write this word? All, letter. Can we have a go? What's the first sound you hear in letter? All, Now a little trick with the word letter. It sounds like it's only got one t, but it's actually two. Okay, it's actually two t in that one. Okay, let's go back and sound button that. All, letter. Well done. Can you think of any other words? So what I'd like you to do now is pause the video and I'm challenging you. Can you think of 5 more words? So pause the video and see if you can think of your own 5 words. And then when you're ready, press play. Fantastic. Okay, so you should have had a little chance there to write your own words. We're going to do a couple more together. So I'm going to see if I can think of an word now. Can you see if you can add the word jumper to yours? J, m, p, So we need 5 sounds. Okay, j, m, p, Can you sound button it? Jumper. I've got one that I really want to write. I wonder if any of you thought about it. I want to write the word Dexter. Now Dexter's actually here with us today. There he is. He's very sleepy after a long walk and very muddy, so he's sitting in his bed beautifully. So I want to write the word Dexter. Can we sound that out? D-E-X. Okay, let's give it a go. Now, as it's his name, it has to start with a capital letter. So D, E, X, T, Can you sound button it? Dexter. Fantastic. Right, we can have a quick go at reading some words now. What is the word? Scooter. A. Yesterday. Yesterday. What's the word? Never. Sister. Okay, the final thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you a sentence. I want you to pause the video and see if you can read it. Okay, was it a real sentence or was it a nonsense sentence? What did you get? Is a spider taller than a tiger? What do you think? Is a spider taller than a tiger? All right, the last sillier sentence. Pause the video and have a read. So pause that video and read it, and I want you to tell me whether it's a nonsense sentence or is it a yes sentence. Okay, let's have a go together. Can my mother climb a ladder with a hammer? So was that a real sentence or is that a nonsense sentence? Ask your mum or dad to print off this board game that they were sent on ping today. Print it off, get yourself some counters and a dice. Roll the dice and move that many places forward. Then you must read the word that you have landed on. Where was the sound? If you get it wrong, you move back a space. If you get it right, it's the next person's turn. The winner is the first person to get to the end of the game.